How to turn on notifications for your claims and authorizations. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also have been using some systems or platform where you want to enable notifications from your claims and authorizations, you generally need to configure notification settings within that specific platform or system. So no matter what your platform or system is you are using for claims and processing and authorization management, this often involves accessing a settings or preference area within the system and enabling or adjusting notifications options for relevant events, such as claim submissions or authorization approvals or denials or expirations. So to basically proceed with that, you can just find it or such options on your system's my account or user profile or notifications or similar category. And once you tap on that, you can just look for the options to enable or customize notifications for specific events related to claims and authorizations. So you just have to specify how you want to receive notifications on those systems, and after making desired changes, make sure to save or apply the settings to activate the notifications. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.